Yeah, hi, it's Graham from Classic Motorcycle Restoration in Newcastle. We're turning a Honda CX500 into a Café Racer for a customer. Just one of the many different jobs we do here. What we've done on this particular job is we've taken the back taillight assembly and the indicators, we've removed them. We've cut the rear section of the frame just behind the shock absorbers. The old seat gets removed. The airbox, it gets removed, and the other side covers get removed. So they're pretty well the parts that are coming off the bike. The work we've done on it so far is that we've cut the back and we've welded the new section in, manufactured and welded a new section in. The seat mounting, we've manufactured that, and the pods, the carburetor pods, they'll get fitted soon. But also underneath is where down there is the battery box where it gets fitted. We've adjusted all the electrics and shortened those and lengthened those where required, and we've yet to do the handlebars and change all the instruments and the front end of the bike. Over here we have the seat, the fiberglass seat, which is in prime, and it's about to be undercoated and painted gloss black. We have the new seat, which we've had upholstered and we're going to fit. We have 4 indicators which we're going to change. The horrible big Honda indicators we're going to swap out for these nice neat little ones. We have new stainless steel exhaust pipes. We have new short and reverse cone Norton style mufflers. The wheels, we're doing a Barani wheel conversion on these. We've done the flanges, we're just waiting on the spokes. The instrument pod gets changed for these polished aluminium. The air filters are the little pod filters. The front mudguard gets cut and shut, which has been done, and it'll be painted gloss black. The rear hugger is there, we've manufactured that, and we've welded the mounting bracket on the swing arm so it bolts in there. And a stainless steel radiator cowl to go over. So that's where we're up to with this rebuild, and it'll be a couple of weeks yet before I'm still waiting for parts to come in, but as soon as we've got it finished, I'll take another video. So see you then.